Well, do you want to deny her the right to have her opinion? Then she is entitled to her opinion. This is her view. I am only exercising the powers which by law are vested in me. So that is, but I am not going to question her opinion. She is entitled to her opinion.
Minister says that you are doing against the High Court verdict. That's why we are asking.
Read the High Court. Read the High Court verdict. We had gone seeking clarification, and High Court said that in the light of the Kannur University judgment, the Chancellor has every authority to act in accordance in the light of the judgment of the Supreme Court and UGC regulations. Read the judgment. It has been given only day before yesterday. Why I was waiting for last more than a month? It was only after it was clarified by the Honorable High Court that we have appointed the two men yesterday, two persons.
Minister says
Minister, you want to deny her the right to have her opinion?
Clarification we are asking.
No, what is the clarification? That does not deserve.
There was a serious crisis regarding the appointment in university. That time you didn't give any appointment or anything. You were giving a double duty to a person. But now suddenly you gave an appointment. And regarding that,
double duty to whom? Saji Gopida. But that was at that time because the Honorable High Court had said, and there is a provision in the Act of these two universities that government has the right of the government to recommend names. On the basis of that recommendation, I have given charge to him. But now Honorable High Court has clarified. Day before yesterday, you do not care to read. Your problem is you do not care to read. Read the... By whatever they may be saying, the judgment of the Honorable High Court has only been given day before yesterday. You read it and then you come to me.
Yes, sir. But same thing the minister is saying that the governor has done against the High Court verdict and also.
Then they can advise them. You can advise them to go to the High Court.
Yes, they are. Minister is saying that.
So it's okay. It's okay as far as I am concerned. I am not going to comment on the opinion of the Education Minister. She has every right to say whatever she wants to say. Everybody has the right in democracy. What I have done is, after this position was clarified by the Honorable High Court, clearly I have exercised the powers vested in me by the Act of the University and the UGC regulations. And people in these universities were really, they were not even receiving the certificates, the diplomas, anything. Vice Chancellor needs to sign them. So, day before yesterday, the order came from the Honorable High Court. Why I did not appoint anybody during last 1 month? Because we have moved the High Court, Honorable High Court, to seek clarification. They have clarified. They have said the earlier judgment is no more applicable. They have said that the Chancellor is authorized to act. Chancellor has the power, not authorized, has the power to act in accordance with the judgment, in the light of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court and the UGC regulations. I can deal with only one person, not so many people. She is speaking from this side, you are speaking from that side. So you speak, give chance to her. You have already spoken. Yes. Show me the legal provision. The Honorable Supreme Court has said that the state government has no business. Your problem is you don't read. You are only trying to create sensation. Why don't you read? Just read the Kannur judgment. They said not even the Pro-Chancellor, because she happens to be the minister, not even she has the right to interfere in the process of the appointment of the Vice Chancellor. Not now, unnecessary questions.
Face to face. VC നിയമന വിവാദത്തിലാണ് ഗവർണർ ആരിഫ് മുഹമ്മദ് ഖാന്റെ പ്രതികരണം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നത്. നിയമപരമായി തന്നെയാണ് കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. UGC നിയമപ്രകാരം, സർവകലാശാല നിയമപ്രകാരം, കോടതി നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങൾ പ്രകാരം തന്നെയാണ് ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ നിയമനം നടന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. സർക്കാരിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം ഉന്നത വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ മന്ത്രിയുടെ പ്രതികരണം ചൂണ്ടിക്കാട്ടിയപ്പോൾ അവർക്ക് നിയമപരമായ പോംവഴി സ്വീകരിക്കാമെന്നാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ ഗവർണർ വ്യക്തമാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത്.